today we will discuss that what is rule 2 for the borane compounds. Now first of all, there are certain rule that each BH unit contribute 2 electron to the skeletal bonding in the boranes R, and each carbonate unit contribute, each boranes or carboborane unit contribute 3 electron. Second point, negative charge contribute plus 1 electron. Each additional hydrogen or borane or carborane is assumed to be used up skeletal bonding and contribute 1 electrons. Each unit CH unit contribute 3 electrons. Okay, so first of all we have to calculate the total electron count. For example, this is the compound V5H9, so this is VH5H4. So in this compound total electron count is equal to BH units are 5, so 5 into 2 plus remaining hydrogen 4, that is 14 divided by 2, that is equals to 7. Since BH unit is equals to 5, therefore it is 5 plus 2, that is equals to 7. So corresponding to n plus 2 there is nido structure. Now first we have to see that if there are n, then it is n plus 1, then it is closure structure, n plus 2 then it is nido structure, n plus 3 then it is arachno structure, n plus 4 then it is hypostructure, n plus 5 then it is clado structure, n structure then it is supercloso, n minus 1 then it is hypercloso structure. Now we can also generalize this in the form of this formula: VnHn2 negative, VnHn4 negative, VnHn6 negative, VnHn10 negative, and VnHn2 simply we multiply with 2, then we get 2 negative charge, multiplied with 2 that is 4 negative, and multiplied with 2 with 3 that is 6 negative, multiplied 4 with 2 that is 8 negative, and multiply 5 with 2 that is 10 negative. So for example we have formula C2V5H9. This can be written as CH. How many carbons are there? 2. So with this 2 hydrogen are attached. How many borons are there? That is 5. So with this 5 hydrogen are attached. Then remaining hydrogen. Since each CH unit contribute 2 electrons, each CH unit contribute 3 electrons, therefore 2 into 3 plus 5 into 2 plus there are remaining 3 hydrogen, 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9, so there are 2 hydrogen, so 6 plus 10 plus 2, that is total is equals to 18. 18 divided by 2, that is equals to 9, and that is 7 plus 2, because CH units are 2, BH units are 5, so n is equals to 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 that is equals to nido structure, so it has nido structure. Now in certain compound we have to replace element with their analogous to find the total electron count. For example, if we have boron, we replace with 3. If we 3 electron, we replace with boron. 1 electron, we replace with hydrogen. 2 electron, we replace with H2. If we have 4 electron, then it can be replaced by VH. If we have 5 electron, then it can be replaced by VH2. Because boron contribute 3 electron, hydrogen contribute 2 electron. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. In case of oxygen, total electrons are 6. So it can be replaced by 1 boron and 3 hydrogen. 3 plus 3 that is equal to 6. C2 that consists 8 electrons. So we can replace with VH2 because 3 plus 1 4, 2 unit that correspond to 8 electron, 9 electron. Then it can be replaced with B2, that is 336 plus 3, that is 9. It can be replaced with B2H3. Now for example we are going to find the structure of C2V5H9. V5H9, first of all separate this unit V5H9, therefore B5H9 we will separate out, and then we will see that V5H9 C2 correspond to, that is 8 electron, 8 VH2, so we will replace C2 with VH2, that is B2H2, therefore V5H9 and that is B2H2. Now total boron is V7H11. Now we will convert in the form of VnHn. So V7 that is H7. In order to just 7 we will get 4 negative. And already we have shown that VnHn4 negative correspond to nuclear structure. Like this, this structure, like this. If VnHn4 negative, we get nido structure, 2 negative closure structure, then we get a arachno structure, then we get a hypo structure, then we get clado structure. Similarly, we can discuss these examples also. V3H7, that is FeO3 twice. Now we will find this analogous to this iron FeO3 twice. This will contain, iron contains 8 electrons plus oxygen contains 6 electron into 2, that is total electron is equals to 28. Now whenever we have two digit, we will consider only last digit, that is 8 electrons. So we have only 8 electrons, and 8 electron corresponds to, that is VH twice. Therefore BH twice, we get V3H7, B2H2, that is B5H9. Again we will adjust in the form of B and Hn. Therefore B5H5, 4 negative, and 4 negative correspond to nudo type structure. So it has nido type structure. Thank you.